Every AI channel this week is talking about agent loops and losing their minds. Loops change everything, prompting is dead, use loops for everything. But no one tells you that agent loop is just a good old while loop. And we've had this since 1958. The loop was never a hard part, and people hyping it know that. So here's a skeptical point of view that no one is telling you about, and by the end of this video you can tell me if I'm right or wrong. And first, let's talk about the honest case for hype, because there is one. The shift from a chatbot that just answers the question to a system that loops, tries something, sees the result, corrects itself, goes again. This is real, and it genuinely unlocked things that were impossible just 2 years ago. Tools like Claude Code feels magic because of this loop. So I'm not here to tell you that agents are fake. They are not, and their capabilities are real. But what I want to call out here is a story that's being sold on top of it. So my first point is, everyone is talking about loops like it's a breakthrough. But it is not, it's just 15 lines of code. What actually got really good is the model. The loop didn't suddenly start working. It's the model that got smart enough that running in a loop stopped being a disaster. So when the video sells you the loop as the secret, they got it backwards. They're selling you a cheap part, because the expensive part, the model, isn't something they can take credit for. And the second point is, loops will cost you money. Agentic has become a pricing word. Half of the projects that putting an AI agent label on the box is just a while loop around the API that can call itself, with a subscription on top of it. And because it loops, it makes multiple model calls per task. So the token bill can easily be 2, 3 or 5 times more than just a single prompt. And the demos never show you the invoice. So ask on each agentic product, what is it doing that one good single prompt that you control could not do? And most of the time, nothing. They're just selling you the loop. And if you prefer to watch videos that pulling the hype apart instead of selling it to you, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because that's what I usually do. And now let's move on to the point 3. And this is not just me being grumpy. This is Armin Ronacher, the guy who created Flask, writing this week. The main problem is that loops make model persistent and not necessarily correct. Present-day models have a documented bad habit. They are mortally terrified by exceptions. They don't fix the root cause. They build more and more defensive patches. They add a fallback instead of making a bad state impossible. So more loops aren't equal more intelligence. Sometimes it's just a more expensive way to build a smelly code. When every iteration adds another little defense, a patch and a patch, your system slowly becomes less understandable while looking more robust. And the more hands-off the loop, the worse it gets. So what you should care about then, if not the loop, is 3 things. First one, the model. That's where the real capabilities live. And the second is the tools you hand over to it, because the agent is only as good as the things you allow it to do. And the third thing is the boring one no one likes to talk about: guardrails. Iteration cap, permissions, knowing when to stop. All this unsexy stuff is the actual engineering. So here's my opinion. Agent loops are real, useful, but wildly over-narrated at the moment. The loop is just a while statement, and most of the time it's already built in the harness that you use. And this new AI agent economy just selling you this while loop with a little bit of markdown, hoping you're not gonna look at the final bill. Now tell me if I'm wrong. If you think that the loop itself is more important than the model, make your case in the comments below the video, because I want to hear it. And that's it for today. I hope my video was useful for you, and if it saved your time digging in all this AI agent loop stuff, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.